Hey there, Stacy here. Welcome to my channel. In this episode of Stacy Links Presents, I'm going to talk about makeup brush care. I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes and talk about some other methods that you can try for your makeup brush care. I'll be right back. Welcome back. As I mentioned, I'm going to talk about makeup brush care in this episode. I'm going to show you how I care for my brushes, how I clean my makeup brushes, and talk about some other methods that you can use to clean your own brushes. So before I get started, I want to make sure you go down below if you're new to this channel. If you're a transgender person interested in fashion, jewelry, and makeup, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have many videos on makeup, jewelry, and fashion, and I have more planned coming in the next few months. So make sure you subscribe, check out my back episodes, and stay tuned for all my new content. So one of the first products I wanted to show you here before I really get into doing any sort of cleaning to my brushes, I want to show you this new brush cleaner solution that I got. And this one here is just a daily cleansing solution. It's the e.l.f. Daily Cleanser. And what you do with this is you'd spray it onto your brushes. It has a really nice scent. You spray it onto your brushes and then you just take a tissue or some sort of a towel and you just rub it and try to clean the stuff out of it like that. And it works really great if you're having to clean your brushes quick and you don't like to use any harsh soaps or anything. This is really nice. This is meant for that sort of thing. So I recommend this product for any sort of quick cleaning. But if you're like me and like to have clean makeup brushes on a regular basis, there are a couple of other things that you could try to do to clean your makeup brushes. One product I found online is actually a little tub. And what this is a little tub with a spinner handle. And it's actually designed more for the bigger brushes like these ones here. So you would put this inside, there'd be soap and water inside, and you attach the handle to the top part, and you'd spin this around, and it would spin the brush, effectively opening it up and getting the soap and water and rinsing it out. And that's a really great way to wash your makeup brushes as well. But for today, I'm going to show you something different that I use, that I can use to clean all my makeup brushes, the big ones and the little ones, and you'll see how this works here. Alright, so as you can see, I have two cameras going here. I have one pointed down at my sink. So this you see down here, this teal pad, is a silicone cleaning pad, and it is designed to clean your makeup brushes. So you want to get it wet. Warm water here. I'll get this running. So I'm going to start out with this brush, and this is my bronzer brush, and I'll just use just a regular baby shampoo, which is nice. It has a nice scent. It doesn't leach in to the fibers, and it's actually great for use with your eyeshadow brushes because it's less irritating than regular soap if you end up leaving some in there. So how I'll do this is I'll take a little dab of it. Oops, that's a little more than a little dab. Wet the brush, and then just start scrubbing. And as you can tell, the makeup just seems to flow right out of the brush. So rinse it out. Try to rinse out all the soap. And the makeup. And then once it's rinsed, try to bring it out. shake the rest of the water out. And it's nice to have some sort of a pad to put them on. Then you want to just make sure that the bristles aren't all over the place and that they're even, and set it down on some place to just air dry. Rinse the pad off between each washing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the fan brush. Put a little dab in there. Let this one down. Because of the bristles, this one holds a lot of water and can hold a lot of soap too. So using the different textures in the washing pad definitely helps as well. And not every brush can be used in every texture, but for the most part, these bigger brushes can be scrubbed with a lot of these, so we'll bring this out like that. Again, they do hold a lot of water, so you want to try to get as much of the water out as you possibly can, shaking it like that, and then smoothing it out again, like that. So then, this is my contour brush. Rinse that out, put another little dab, rinse that, start scrubbing. So you basically get the idea of how it all goes here. I'm essentially trying to say that you can clean your makeup brushes pretty much like you would clean a regular paintbrush, except you don't use harsh chemicals, you just want to use regular soap, mild soap specifically. And the baby shampoo is very mild, so it definitely helps clean the brushes really well. So and then cleaning these types of brushes are very similar to just regular paint brushes. Again, I'll rinse this out here. Little dab. Rinse all the soap out. Sometimes the soap likes to linger. Add the soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Slap it on your fingers like that, like you would do with a normal paintbrush. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other powder brush that I have here now. Good. And then these little ones here, kind of gotta scrub them more slowly. large one. And then the rounded tip one that I like. If you've seen any of my previous makeup episodes, you'll recognize the rounded tip one there. That one's pretty dirty. Alright, and then last and most certainly not least, and some people like to use these pads, and I do once in a while. It's not the greatest. I myself recommend using brushes for your eyeshadow. One of these can work in a pinch if you're looking at just, you know, I'm not sure, to be honest. This is not the one that I use on a regular basis. I'm always using these brushes more, these thicker, wider ones. So when it comes to really how to use these, I'm not 100% sure, but I'll show you how to clean these. It's pretty easy. Just use your fingers and just get it wet. And then dab the soap. Rub it with your fingers. Get all the makeup off here. That's really good. And then just squeeze the water out of it. That's all you need to do. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you go down below and hit the thumbs up button to show me you like this video. And again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you drop a comment for me. Tell me how you wash your makeup brushes. Make sure to come back every Friday for the premiere of a new episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.